Good afternoon everyone, I hope everybody is doing fine. So moving on to chapter number 4 MCQs portion, we have question number 1 as which of the following is not a quadratic equation. So you have to tell that which of these is not a quadratic equation. So first equation looks alright, degree 2. Second equation has a degree of 3. So this will not be a quadratic equation. Okay. Kindly copy the question as well as write the right answer. The quadratic equation has a degree of 2. Okay. Write the explanation also. The quadratic equation has a degree of 2. Cubic equation has a degree of 3. Simple. A biquadratic equation has a degree of 4. 2 times quadratic means biquadratic. The polynomial equation, this is a x square and x, it is a quadratic equation. Okay, once you multiply this thing, the highest power that you get is 2. Okay, moving on to question number 6. The equation, this is a dash. So what do you think out here? Once you expand this thing, the highest power again which you get out here is x square, which is 20, which is a square quadratic equation. Moving on to question number 7, we have roots of quadratic equation. This, once you calculate the factorization portions, the roots that you get is 2 by 3 and minus 1 by 2. Okay. Moving on to the question number 8, the quadratic equation whose roots are 1, and amongst this you have to solve. You put just x is equals to 1 in all of the 4 options and you find C where you get is equals to 0, the polynomial. Okay, the second polynomial happens to be 0, so your second will be the correct option. Question number 9, the quadratic equation whose one rational root is this is same logic. You apply this x's value in the any of the 4 equations and see if the polynomial comes out to be 0. So that will be your root of the equation. Out here it happens to be the option number D. Okay, moving on to question number 10, we have the equation this has 2 equal roots, then value of k will be equals to b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. Discriminant portion will be equals to 0, and once you have put that thing equals to 0, value of k can be calculated really easily, and which happens to be option number 8. Okay, the roots of the quadratic equation this are, first of all out here you have to take the LCM x square minus x plus x minus 3x. Okay, and then you apply Sridhar Acharya's formula, minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a, and therefore giving you the answer as 3 plus root 5, 3 plus minus root 5 divided by 2. Okay, option number C. Kindly make sure you pause the videos, okay, to note down the explanation portions as well, because you should know how the actual answer has come. Moving on to question number 12, the roots of quadratic equation. This are, again you have to factorize this thing and get the answer as C as plus minus 1 by root 2. Okay, that's it for today's class. I hope you understood all of these. I expect you to copy all of these down, and these will be your 10 important MCQs for class 10. Okay, for your chapter number 4. And if any student faces any difficulty in this, you can feel free to contact me on Google Classroom or in WhatsApp. Okay, so thank you, bye bye, have a nice day.